Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I want to show you how to replace the chain on your RYOBI 8-inch electric chainsaw. What you'll need to do this job today is a ratchet with a 10mm socket or a wrench that is 10mm, and then remove this bolt here. So get this bolt right out. The cover will come off. Sometimes it gets a bit tricky, but you really gotta press it out of there. Now you might want to wear gloves when you do this if you're afraid of cutting yourself. Just reach in, pull the bar back, and get the bar and the chain off. Now you can just get the chain right off the bar. Now when you get the bar and chain off your saw, if it's really dirty in here with sawdust, you can grab a blowgun and just blow it all away from the saw. You can also clean the clutch cover here or the sprocket cover here with the blowgun as well. And you can also clean your bar with the blowgun. What you want to do is make sure that the small oiler hole right here is clean. As you can see here, it is clean. And if you flip the bar, there's another hole there as well. Now the specs for this chain are 3/8 by 43 gauge by 33 drive links. And this is an 8-inch bar. Now when you install the chain on the bar, you want the cutters to be pointing toward the front of the saw. So put your chain on the bar in this direction, and now just put the chain on the sprocket and get the bar on right here. You might want to keep your finger on the bar, and now just reinstall the cover. Make sure that the pin here is adjusted to fit into this hole. So sometimes what happens with the new chain is it's tighter than the old one because the old one has stretched. So what you might have to do in this case is go down here where the adjusting screw is and just turn it counterclockwise a few turns so that it fits in the hole. Just like that. And here's where the pin went into the hole of the bar. If the pin's not lined up, you will not be able to put this cover on. Now what you want to do is put this bolt on, just snug it up. And then you want to tension your chain. This is way too loose. So I will hold the bar up like this and turn this screw clockwise. And I'll make the chain snug because it will stretch a bit once you start to use the saw. Now I'll hold the bar up again and just tighten up the 10mm bolt here. I always run the saw a little bit and then I check the tension again. See how loose it got again? So I'll just do a readjusting here. So again, I will hold the bar up, turn the screw clockwise, and retighten up the bolt here. And here's the tension that I ended up with. This is a good tension with a new chain. It will stretch a little bit. So that's all there is to it. It's not hard to do, guys. You can do it yourself. Thanks for watching and make sure you're subscribed. Have a great day.